Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brooke, and if you're coming back, well then welcome. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna start this video by saying I'm sorry about my hair. She does what she wants. I'm just a pawn on her chessboard because it is just all over the place, and this is why my hair is usually in a bun when I record videos, but that's fine. That's not the point of today. So, the point of this video is I am going to show you guys how to make a pistachio iced latte. Yes, I said it. Hold your breath. Everybody applause. I know. I'm waiting. Are you clapping? I hope so. Clap. But basically, you should know what this is. Starbucks came out with the pistachio iced latte, and since they did, I've seen it everywhere. Everybody's mom, brother, sister, aunts, uncles, everybody's talking about it. And I'm like, it's pistachio, bro, like, cool, but it's pistachio, right? So, what I did was I went in there and I asked them if I could just get a couple pumps of the syrup in a cup and I could just pay for it because I didn't want their trash ass espresso. I'm sorry, but it's just the truth. And they're like, oh yeah, sure. They were nice. I love the baristas. It's nothing against anybody that works at Starbucks. I just don't like your corporation. You know what I'm saying? You could get better coffee elsewhere. I'd rather just support home-owned businesses than a chain restaurant. There's nothing against working there. I'm just saying. Okay? That's my personal opinion. I brought the syrup home. I tried the syrup. I looked at the consistency and I was like, I can make this. Like, I can make this at home and it's gonna not have so many artificial flavors. It's not gonna have freaking fake-ass oils and like all this bad that's in Starbucks syrup. As we all know, that list is probably like 13 and 15 ingredients minimum, you know what I'm saying? So what I did, long story short, is I made the syrup at home for you guys. Sorry, the silence is just for the applause that I am receiving. I can only imagine, you know? Why would you not be applauding, right? Right? Okay. Sorry if I sound cocky, I'm just around, but I made the syrup at home, okay? And it's super simple, it's super easy, and you can do it. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do this and making your own pistachio iced latte at home, then just keep watching. For this next part of the video, I'm just going to kind of voice it over because I just recorded doing it in my kitchen, and my kitchen is loud because I live with my parents, so there's a whole bunch of background noise, so I'm just going to talk you guys through it. So basically, first thing you're going to do is you're going to make a simple syrup. You're going to take a half a cup of sugar and a half a cup of water and heat it on the stove and mix it together until it dissolves. It takes about 5 minutes. It's really not long. Then you're going to set that to the side and let it cool off. While it's cooling off, you're going to take a cup of pistachios. I had like the ones at Costco, you know, the ones that come in the shell, and I just peeled them myself. And I put them on parchment paper and I put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 5 minutes just to toast them so I could get the oils out of the pistachios and you can get the flavor notes a little stronger. After that, you're going to put the simple syrup into a food processor along with the toasted pistachios after they've cooled for a couple minutes, and you're just going to process the hell out of it. Just keep blending it until it incorporates together. After you do that, you're going to take a cheesecloth and you're just going to pour the syrup that you made, basically the pistachio and the simple syrup that you blended together that is now pistachio syrup. You're going to strain it through a cheesecloth. If you don't have the cheesecloth, get the finest strainer you have and just strain it through there to try and get as many pistachio like chunky particles that you can get out of there as you can. It took me a while to strain it with the cheesecloth, so if you have a thin strainer, just use that. You're fine. A couple chunks isn't going to hurt you. You want the pistachios, you're good, you know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much that. Then I put it in the fridge for a couple hours. I don't know if you need to refrigerate it. I would just recommend refrigerating it to be on the safe side, and it also helps it thicken up quite a bit. So yeah, this is how you do it, guys. It's that simple. So let's get back to the video on me showing you how to assemble the drink. Alright guys, so you saw how I made the syrup. It was easy. I was just like, how can I make this at home? It couldn't be that hard, you know? And I was like, I make a simple syrup, put pistachios, and just food process it. And it worked. It worked. Look it's got like Shrek goo syrup. It's pistachio syrup. Okay, this looks exactly like the Starbucks pistachio sauce. I feel like I should have got some to compare it so you could see the comparison, but it looks exactly like it. So, just saying. We did something here, folks. We did something. So, yeah, I say so a lot, huh? That's mad annoying. I'm sorry. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to assemble this drink. I have some espresso from my mocha pot. I don't know if you can see, but it's still kind of steaming because just made it a couple minutes ago. I probably should have waited a while, but it's fine. A mocha pot, if you don't know what that is, I'll insert a picture somewhere. Super simple. It's an easy way to make espresso at home. It doesn't taste like an espresso machine espresso. Don't get your hopes up. But it's a close second or third. I also have the AeroPress, but I haven't tried it out yet. I figured I would do it in one of my upcoming videos so I could try it out with you guys because I'm super excited about it. And I don't want to experience that excitement alone. I think that you should enjoy it with me, you know? You know? I'm going to zoom you in, as per every video, so you can see what's happening, okay? Oh, I didn't tell you what you're going to need. Sorry. You're going to need pistachio syrup. You're going to need some kind of milk, whether it be dairy, non-dairy. You know the gist, okay? Whether it be from a cow, a nut, a seed, an oat, whatever. Get it, okay? And then you're going to need some kind of espresso. Now listen, if you don't have espresso, if you don't have a mocha pot, if you don't have any of that, don't worry about it. Just use whatever you have. You can use like a pour over coffee. You can use cold brew because I'm definitely going to be using this with cold brew. But I was just trying to replicate the latte the best that I could, and this is the best that I could do it to my abilities at this moment. You know what I'm saying? So just don't worry about it. Whatever you got, you can make it work. You can make it work. So you have the espresso, or whatever coffee you're using, you have that. And then you have the syrup, the pistachio syrup. I have a half of a tablespoon measuring, but I think maybe I'll use like 2 tablespoons. Not 2 tablespoons, I'm sorry. 1 tablespoon, but like 2 halves of a tablespoon. You get it? Because I don't have a tablespoon with me, I only have half, so. Just use 1 tablespoon. By the way, the syrup tastes great. This will probably be so good on like ice cream. And I'm going to take my milk frother and mix this together into the espresso just so it'll combine easier, because I think that if I mix it with the milk is cold, so it might make the syrup kind of more solid. You can use a spoon for this, you don't have to have a hand mixer. Now I need to go get ice, so I will be right back. Let's try this. Oh yeah. You wanted to add a little vanilla cold foam, maple cold foam, as I do every drink. Oh, it would take it over the edge. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try this out. If you have tried the pistachio latte and you like it a lot, I know a lot of people are big fans of it, please try and make this at home. It's so simple and it really doesn't take long at all, and it tastes a lot better. You can taste it, it's not as fake tasting. You know when you try like a strawberry candy and like you're like, oh, this is like fake strawberry flavor? You kind of get that with the pistachio syrup from Starbucks, but like when you make it at home, it's just so rich. It's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate it. It helps me a lot. Let me know down below if you guys are interested in seeing any other videos, have any video recommendations, anything you want me to make, any recipe ideas you have. I know a lot of my subscribers that I have now, thank you guys, appreciate you, it's all from coffee. So I'm going to try and stick to the coffee videos, but if you guys are interested in seeing like me do anything else, like thrift videos or stuff like that, let me know, because I do that. I thrift, like, it gives me joy in life. You know, coffee and thrift shopping, it's like, let me know if you try this out, because I'm curious to see if anybody else likes it. And if you are a pistachio latte lover at Starbucks, please try this out. Please, 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 please. You won't regret it, I promise. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. And have a beautiful day, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. And that's pretty much it. Drink your coffee, mind your business, wear your face masks.